emphesa exitichi xa maphorisa xa Schoonoord. Magidigidi wa vaaki va kuma vukorhokeri bya xiphorisa kusuka eka xitichi lexi. Hambiswiritano ku kuma mpfuno swa tika tanihileswi ku tirhisiwaka rinqingho ra cellphone.
When we phone them, in terms of load shedding, sometimes we are phone on a cell phone. There is no landline that we had to access them. Then some of the things we are struggling.
Loko gezi ri famba ku sungula xiphiqo xa network, vaaki va boheka ku famba va ya exitichini xa maphorisa ku ya mangala milandzu.
Our nearest police station uses a cell phone, so we do not really know how's their network that side and this side, so we really do struggle getting a hold of them.
Maphorisa eLimpopo a va si nyika xivangelo xa leswaku i yini lexi endlaka ku ri ku tirhisiwa tiqingho ta cellphone exitichini xa maphorisa xa Schoonoord.
The provincial police management is aware of the challenges faced by community members under Sekhukhune policing area in regard to the functionality of the station's landline, especially during power outages. The station has been provided with cell phone number 079-889-9367 that community members may use as an alternative. The station commander can also be reached on 082-565-9124. Plans are already in the pipeline to build another police station in the area to alleviate some of the challenges.
Sweswi vaaki va le tindhawini ta Schoonoord va boheka ku yimela gezi ri vuya ku ri kona va kotaka ku ya mangala milandzu emaphoriseni.